Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your Gmail Google account. But before proceeding to this guide, I would like to inform you that if you delete your Gmail account, you will lose all services, all data that is tied to this account. So make sure before deleting this account, you make a backup. You detach all services connected to this Gmail account, and only after that proceed to this process. Now let's move to the tutorial. Open your Gmail, press this profile icon and go to manage your Google account. Okay, in this page, on the left tab, go to data and privacy and then scroll all the way down till you see the delete your Google account. Now press this. The Google account gives you a possibility to download your data in case you need it. And this informs you that all your data related to Google Drive, Gmail, your emails, your Google Photos, calendar data, contacts, everything tied to this account will be deleted. Now you need to check these boxes and then press delete account and confirm the deletion. Okay guys, this is a pretty straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.